Anyword.com is one the best AI copywriting, AI writing assistant and text generator which growing day by day due to its unique features. Anyword.com have free plan of 5000 words. For more you have to subscribe premium plans. The premium plans also affordable. In this video, we will talk about their all features and how we can use them. Let's get started. Open your browser on the computer and search on Google for Anyword.com. Here is some results. But you have to click on this website Anyword.com. Now we register to this website Anyword.com. For this click for New tab and open your Gmail. Copy your Gmail account. And paste here. Click on it. Try it for free. We have sent a verification mail to your email. Now open your Gmail and verify Anyword account. Choose password for Anyword account. Create password and re-enter password. Welcome to Anyword and choose starter plan which is free. And this plan is only for 7 days. Click on Get Started. Choose your role. Me as a startup founder. Click on Next. How many people work in your company? Click on Next. How did you hear about us? Me from Google. Choose according to your desire. I will select Blog Wizard. Give title on which you want to create article. Top 10 Best Copywriting Platforms for 2023. You can also provide keyword for more accuracy. Top 10 Best Copywriting Platforms for 2023. Here AI provided many titles. Choose best one. I will choose this one. 10 Best Copywriting Platforms for 2023. And click on Next. Choose outlines for your article. You can also add new, rename or delete any outline. I will rename this one because spellings here incorrect. Now we will choose introduction paragraph. I will choose this one. And now click on Continue to Editor. Now we will write complete article. 10 Best Copywriting Platforms for 2023. Step by step. Here we can add new section. Now we'll add new section with name of jasper.io. But we could not find good result. Now again try that, but this time we will remove IO and only search for Jasper. Oh good, we find content against this keyword. Now our article ready. Finally our article ready, which consists of 2303 words. Copy this article and you can paste anywhere. You can also paste in TXT file, etc. And words have many options or features. You can try anyone. These are all best AI tools. For more videos like this, follows us.